Distribution network. First, press the setting button on the front of the gateway for 5 seconds. Open the Tuya or Smart Life app. Click the plus at the top right. Add device. Bluetooth gateway. Connect to 2.4G Wi-Fi. Wait for connection. Done. Add devices. Add new device. Next, connect the motor. Press the motor setting button 4 times. Then long press for the 5th time until the indicator green light flashes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Long press. Motor jog once. Done. Done. Now you can control it by your phone. You can also click more to set other functions. Schedule. Add. You can also enable smart control in the scene.